Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? After a very long time, the chain occur will be massive now. In upcoming time, the future is going to be bright now. So, what's the price prediction? What's the technical analysis? And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Let's get started this brand video. But kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So, my brother, if you know about the Pancakeswap, one of the stable coin and absolutely one of the very fastest coin in the crypto market. But you can see the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this will be gonna very bad now. But from last 24 hours, they take a very huge jump now. So I'm so happy to see, my brother. You can see, my friend, this coin is also from last 3 days is gonna be further to now. You can see it sometime, but definitely, my friend, from last 24 hours, change will be my friends unique, and it's priority from all coins now, my brother. So you can see here this time the Dutch coin, my brother, chart is on the screen and they are loading. So kindly you need to like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, so thank you so much, my all holder, my brother. The last 24-hour chart is on the screen. Let's see. Yes, this time you can see, my brother, last 24 hours plus 7.06%. The price is increased now at 17.06%. 17.6 USD dollar is the latest price of, my brother, this time Pancakeswap coin. So it's a very good news, my brother, because after a very long time, you can see, my brothers, this coin is also wake up and go in the moon now. So I'm so happy. I'm really excited to see your channel, my brother. Absolutely, and upcoming time, I'm 100% sure today will give you a profit. So you need to hold, and if you want to invest more, then exactly in June, my brother, Pancakeswap is one of the unique coins. They will give you a profit now. So go now, invest now, and hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.